Hey there, photographers. Brenda Petrella here, and welcome to another episode of PhotoPills Friday, where we unlock the power of the PhotoPills app and help you learn it without all the confusion. In today's quick tip episode, I'm going to show you how to view the direction of light from either the sun or moon on any subject you might want to photograph. As you know in photography, the quality and the direction of light is a key element to composing an image. So if you're planning on using the sun or moon as your light source, it can be helpful to know how that light is hitting your subject at any given time so that you can plan on when to get on location. So let's see how this works in PhotoPills using a sun example. I'm going to use the view of El Capitan in Yosemite National Park as my subject, and I already have my red pin set on tunnel view, which is a very well-known shooting location for the valley. I have also already set my black pin on El Capitan just to have a reference point for the mountain, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. If you haven't yet learned how to use the red and black pins, then check out episode 5 when I explain them in more detail when I show you how to plan a moon image. Now tap on the map setting icons in the lower right corner of the map. From here, tap on the sun map layer, and then click on light direction, click done, and now you'll see a whole bunch of lines, arrows, and times listed on the map, and it can look pretty confusing. The yellow parallel lines that are going through the map are showing you the general direction of the sun's light. And as you scroll through the timeline, you can see how the direction of light changes throughout the course of the day. If we start at the beginning of the day and scroll through the timeline slowly, you'll see this little yellow circle moving through the map, and that is the path of the sun as it moves throughout the day. Also note that the color of the yellow circle changes throughout the day from yellow in the morning to orange in the evening. And that's basically showing you the nature of the color of light at a given time of day. So as we scroll back and forth through the timeline, you can see that the sun's circle is moving around the red pin location in accordance with those yellow parallel lines. And those yellow lines are intersecting with different times of the day. And those times of day are associated with little yellow arrows that are pointing the direction of the light for that time of day. Let's say that I want to create an image where the face of El Capitan is bathed in a warm light similar to this stock photo image. I've actually never been to Yosemite, so I don't have one of my own images to share, but maybe someday. Now I know from the map that for the sunlight to hit that face of the mountain, which if we zoom in on the map is right here, then the sun will need to be behind me at my shooting location. And if I zoom back out, then the ideal time for that will likely be between 5 and 7 p.m. on this particular date. Now, you can use the exact same process for the moon if you're using moonlight as your light source. So simply go back to the map settings, click off the sun map layer, click on the moon map layer, click on it again to then click on light direction and click done. And now you will see the moonlight direction information on the map at night if the moon is up at night. You won't see it if it's the time of a new moon. So now back to our sun plan for a moment. What I would need to do next to further refine my plan is to figure out how high in the sky the sun is between 5 and 7 p.m. to find the sweet spot where the sun is low enough to give a nice warm glow, but high enough not to be blocked by mountains that might be behind me at my shooting location. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see an example of how to do that. And if you like these videos, please hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.